Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to Swim University. Now, I bet you're here because you've been searching YouTube, wondering why your pool or hot tub still looks, not great, even after everything that you've tried. Well, I want to assure you, you've come to the right place. I know that pool and hot tub care feels complicated. I'm here to fix that, and it's why I made this channel, to give you the exact answers you need right when you need them. Look, I've been doing this since 1993. Yes, that's 3 decades of getting my hands wet, so you don't have to lose your mind figuring out what's going on with your pool or your hot tub. This channel is a free library of pool and hot tub education. No fluff, just clear answers to problems that you're actually dealing with. On our channel, you're gonna find videos about how to clear up green or cloudy water, how to balance your water chemistry without driving yourself crazy or needing a chemistry degree, how to add shock or what shock even is, how to fix a filter or a pump that's not working right or making loud noises, how to read a test strip or use a test kit. Whatever problem you brought here today, there's probably already a video for it. You can check out the search bar and start there. But this YouTube channel is just part of what we do. There's actually a lot more free stuff over at swimu.com. You'll find hundreds of free articles on pool and hot tub care for when you want to read at your own pace or save an article to come back to later. If you want everything organized in one place and you want to hold it in your hand, you can check out the Pool Care Handbook and the Hot Tub Handbook. These are physical reference guides that give you everything that you need to know in one handheld book. Clear, simple, actionable advice that you can hold in your hand. Now, if you'd rather watch a video than read, of course, you have our YouTube channel, but you can also check out the Pool Care and Hot Tub Care video course. That means no more hunting online for what you need to learn. It's all laid out right there in the order you need it. And finally, for ongoing pool care help, you can check out the Pool Care app. You can track your chemistry, know exactly what to add and when, and you never have to guess what your water needs. And it's available for both Android and Apple. So subscribe, watch a video, read an article, and come back whenever you need help. And if you're ready to stop searching and you just want to know what to do and when, check out our books, our courses, and our app at swimu.com. Thanks for being here, and as always, happy swimming.